A screen is the focal point of many modern meeting rooms, but how do we get to the point of it hanging on a wall, and how can we do it safely? First, we need to check the proposed installation location. What is the wall constructed from? If it is a studded wall, what is the maximum weight it can take, or does it need to be reinforced with a mattress? If in doubt, consult a professional. Does the space limit the size of the screen? Is there power and data nearby? When selecting a screen, check the specifications to ensure it matches the sizes and weights you can work with. The specifications should also give you the VESA mount of the screen along with the size of mounting holes. Consider the bracket. What style do you need? Flat to wall, tilt, or cantilever? Check the bracket specifications to ensure the VESA size and maximum weight will work with the screen you have selected. Mounts will normally come in two sections, one part for the wall and one for the screen. Use the correct size of fixings to attach the screen section to the back of the monitor. Line up the wall section of the mount with the screen section. You can now work out where the bottom of the screen will be in relation to the mount. When selecting the position of the mount, ensure you allow for any objects that may be behind the screen, such as power sockets or room equipment. You may need to consider spaces if there is not enough clearance. Place the wall mount section on the wall at the required position. Remember where the bottom of the screen will be, in relation to the bottom of the mount. Mark out where the drill holes should be on the wall. If mounting to a studded wall, ensure the holes are positioned over the center of a stud. Use a suitable drill bit for your wall type and drill to the depth of the provided fixings. Insert suitable wall plugs or fixings for your type of wall. Place the wall mount section over the top and screw in the mount fixings to attach it to the wall. Lift the screen into place onto the bracket, fine-tune the position, and lock into place. Congratulate yourself on a job well done. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions, wear appropriate PPE, and follow health and safety guidelines at all times, especially when it comes to lifting and the use of power tools. If in doubt, use professional installation services.